Just suck it.
See this spot over here?
Yeah.
That's where I smashed one.
Oh.
See, its guts are on my wall. I'll have to wash that off later.
Yeah,
I ain't doing it today.
You should get that spider, Mom.
I'm going to use the fly swatter. I ain't going to step on these babies no more. They're doomed. This better be a good one, Mike.
You should just suck them up. You should just suck them up.
I have to get my encouragement up. Watch out so you don't jump. I missed him! Oh my God! Oh, where did he go? Oh my God! Look how big!
Yeah.
How do you miss them?
I'm afraid of them.
No, run, spider, run.
Oh, I got that fucker.
Oh.
Oh God. Oh. You guys should be out here doing this for me. This is dangerous work.